Well, looks like Minnesota wasn't done with us yet. It's April 14th, and usually we don't have any snow. In fact, earlier this week there was almost no snow on the ground. And we're supposed to have, well, you can see this pile was pretty well gone. The vehicles, of course, had no snow on them. And yeah, so I guess it's Minnesota's little going away gift to us. It's their the crescendo of snow. So we've gotten into refinishing our bathroom, which really amounted to just painting the walls and, you know, cleaning up the sink and redoing some stuff, putting in a new fan. That's what started this whole thing, was putting in a new fan. Then we decided that the ceiling was kind of yucky, so we put new drywall up there and painted it and blah blah blah. Then we were trying to clean this tub surround, and yeah, it wasn't de-yellowing. I don't know, just kind of, maybe this is the color it was supposed to be actually. But the more I look at it, I mean, it doesn't really look yellowed. It just looks, I mean, because you look at the part behind the where the shower door was, it actually looks more yellow than the other stuff. So maybe it was supposed to be like an almond color or something, and this is actually faded. But anyway, for 120 bucks we can buy a new fancy flat, what do you call it, flat pack shower surround thing. So we're gonna run up and buy that. I took this, that's cool. I used some chrome polish for a car, got it all cleaned up. There's still a little icky spot there, but I think that'll come off because, anyway, just because replacing the faucet doesn't seem like a fun project to get into, seeing as it's all sweated in behind the wall and then closed in. So, and it works perfectly. So I figured clean it up and
well, you know what I've always said about these Fords is you gotta just take off the everything to get to the anything, and that's pretty true.
so I am packing up my office today, my little home office here in the basement. Getting this shelf out of here so we can, or desk, whatever you want to call it, so we can paint and whatnot. And I had this huge monitor set up that had like 6 monitors. You can see 3 of them right there, and basically it had a monitor, you know, right there and there and there, and then down the bottom there were 3 right there and there as well. And that was the computer, and all the other junk is in this crate, whatever. So I'm going to make a crate out of this desk material so I can put the other 3 monitors, which are in the other room, and then those 2 into it and protect them so we can transport them, or at least store them for a period of time. I feel like Minnesota is basically saying, fine, whatever, just leave. Look at that. Snow is like friggin' 15 feet tall. Like they had to plow it in these huge piles. There was absolutely no snow here on Friday. And now Monday morning, this is what it looks like. Will not miss this crap at all.